The burning giraffes are another Dalinian image that has remained imprinted on the collective subconscious. One night, in a fire in Ampurdha, everyone thought they saw burning giraffes walking through the mountains. The meaning behind the burning giraffes, however, is a long way from a forest fire. It was the deep impression of seeing his country in flames during the Civil War that made Dali represent the war in this way.
From all parts of martyred Spain arose the smell of incense, chasubles, the burnt fat of priests, and of carved-up spiritual flesh, which rose towards the sky with the same smell of the ecstasy of the orgasm of the Revolution.
The horse of Guernica, Picasso's image of the war, had become the burning giraffe of Dali, a symbol of a country that burnt, consuming itself in its own hatred.